Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, we use when we're cooking. Correct. Number two, when we enter a hotel. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The frying pan is black. The frying pan is black. Frying pan. Frying pans are made of metal, and they are usually heavy, but not always. Now we can make a flashcard for frying pan. Please make a card like this. Write frying pan up here in the top left corner, two words. Down here, KIT 1. This means kitchen, level 1. And over here the number, 22 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The two red things sound like I. Fry. Ing. Pan. Frying pan. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob checks in to a hotel sometimes. Bob checks in to a hotel sometimes. He checks in. That is the action. But together with hotel, we must say to. Bob checks in to a hotel sometimes. This is at the beginning of your stay. Now we can make a flashcard for to check in to a hotel. Please make a card like this. To check into a hotel. Down here, VID 1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. Over here the number 7 out of 76. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Check. Ho. Tell. Hotel. Game over. You did very well today. Do people use frying pans in the bathroom or in the kitchen? In the kitchen. Very good. And tomorrow we will check into a hotel. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, and correct, exam. This just means a test. Number 2, 1 square meter. Yeah, that's a square, 1 meter on each edge. Number 3, to last for 3 days. This is last as a verb here. We say the storm lasted for 3 days. Today is Monday, August 4th. Show number 179. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. Our schedule is rotating every 2 years, so you can join anytime. And always, please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say frying pan in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.